In this video, I will show you how to download and install apps on your Sony Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the Sony Google TV, but following the same steps, you should be able to download and install apps on your Sony Android TV or even your old Sony Bravia Smart TV. If you also want to be able to install third-party apps and APK that are not on the App Store into your Sony Smart TV, I'm also going to be giving you some instructions towards the end of this particular video. Now, to install apps on your Sony Smart TV, first things first, you want to make sure that the TV is actually connected to the internet. So if you scroll over to the right hand side towards the settings of my Sony TV, you can literally see that my TV is actually connected to my mobile phone hotspot. So make sure that your Sony Smart TV is connected to your phone hotspot or just your home Wi-Fi. Then you want to go ahead and open up the App Store of the Sony TV. Now, for the Sony Google TV, just like this one, there are different ways to access the App Store or Google Play Store. A very easy way is to simply just go over to the app section of your TV. So scroll over to this app section, then come over to this input sheet over here. Go ahead and search for the specific app you want to install into your Sony Smart TV. So I can just go ahead and search for VLC Media Player app over here. And once I click on the search button over here, this automatically searches the actual Google Play Store app and give me result for the VLC Media Player app. So I can go ahead and click on VLC just like so, and then click on the install button. And then this is just going to take a minute or two, and the VLC Media Player app will be downloaded and installed into my Sony Smart TV. And once the app is finally installed, I can just go ahead and start using the app by just clicking on the open button over here. Now, if you actually want to be able to open up the actual Google Play Store app on your Sony Google TV, basically you want to just head over to the settings of the TV over here, and then just scroll down to where you have apps over here, click on it, then scroll down again, click on see all apps, and then just scroll down until you get to the show system apps at the bottom of the TV. Click on it, then scroll down again until you find the Google Play Store app. You can literally see it over here. So I'll just go ahead and select it, then click on open. Now this automatically opens up the actual Google Play Store app on your Sony Google TV. If you're using the Sony Android TV, you already know that the Google Play Store app is literally on the home page of the TV, so you can go ahead and open it up and you'll be taken to this Google Play Store. Now you can go ahead and look at all of the apps on the Google Play Store and then just download and install any app of your choice. And once you go ahead to select any app, just like so, you can click on the install button, give it a minute, and it will automatically be installed into your Sony Smart TV. Now finally, if you come over to the home of the TV and then just scroll down to this list of apps over here, scroll horizontally until you get to the end, click on see all apps, and from here you should be able to see all of the apps that has been installed into your Sony Smart TV. You can literally see the VLC Media Player app we just installed. Now this is just a way to install apps from the Google Play Store or App Store of your Sony Smart TV. If you want to be able to install third-party apps and APK into your Sony Smart TV, I am going to be making a separate comprehensive tutorial on how to go about doing that. But just to give you a short explanation on how to do it, basically you want to head over to the Google Play Store of your Sony Smart TV, then go ahead to this search input field, go ahead and search for the app known as Downloader. It's a very popular app and you can literally see it over here. Click on it and then make sure you download and install this Downloader app into your Sony Smart TV. Once it is installed, this Downloader has a browser tab that you can use to search for third-party apps and APKs and then just download them using this Downloader app. Once you're able to download the APK, you can automatically install that particular APK that you're searching for and you want to sideload into your Sony Smart TV from the internet and start using it on the TV without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.